In this video, I'm going to show you how you can calculate expected return and standard deviation for a single asset. You can use formula or Excel spreadsheet. For a start, I will give you the final answer as hints to motivate you to try on your own. If you can learn without any guidance, congratulations! You have mastered the skill of independent learning. This skill is highly essential in the modern world. Let's learn together. In this example, there are two risky assets, stock A and stock B. The state of economy is predicted to have expansion, recession, and deep recession based on an estimated probability. Our objective is to calculate expected return and standard deviation, calculate the covariance and correlation coefficient. Here is the formula for expected return and variance. Standard deviation is the square root of variance. This formula enables you to calculate covariance between A and B. Here is the formula to calculate correlation coefficient between A and B. Correlation coefficient is actually equals to variance of AB divided by standard deviation of A multiplied with standard deviation of B. Let's look into the working. First of all, I'm going to calculate the expected return for asset A. From the question, we know that there are three economic scenarios: expansion, recession, and deep recession. The probability of each scenario are given here. To calculate expected return, I'm going to multiply P with R, 0.5 times 0.25, which gives me an answer of 0.125. I continue to do it for the rest of the economic scenario. After that, I'm going to sum the three answers together. This answer is the answer for expected return. Next, I'm going to calculate the variance for asset A. I'm going to make use of the return of A under the expansion scenario minus 0.15, square the answer and multiply with P. This gives me a value of 0.005. We shall continue to do it for recession and deep recession. After that, we total the three answers together. This answer is the variance. Standard deviation is the square root of variance. We can continue to do the same working for asset B. Take note of the number of decimal places here. Next, we shall calculate covariance for A and B. I'm going to make use of return of asset A under the expansion scenario, 0.25 minus the expected return of asset A. We shall continue to do it for the recession scenario and deep recession scenario. We also perform the same function for asset B. We take the return of asset B minus the expected return of asset B. After that, we are going to multiply the three figures together. Covariance is obtained by adding these three answers together. How do we calculate correlation coefficient? Correlation coefficient is obtained by dividing covariance with standard deviation of A and B. And the answer for correlation coefficient is negative 0.32. That's all the working. Thank you. I hope you can understand this session. See you and goodbye.